learn how to make my deliciously light lemon meringue cake. Once you watch this, you're going to want to make your own. Creating the lemon curd. This is really quite easy to make. Place lemon juice into the saucepan. Combine all the eggs, lemon zest and sugar together and give it a good whisk until it's combined. Bring the lemon juice up to a boil on the induction cooktop. Pour the lemon juice over the egg mixture and whisk while you're at it. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan. We turn it on and we cook it at a medium heat. How many times have you burnt your lemon curd on the bottom of the pot? I can guarantee with a Mueller cooktop, it just doesn't happen. The cooktop is really responsive. When I turn off or adjust the heat, it responds instantly. Look how clean the bottom of my pot is. Now this is where we make the lemon curd that little bit more decadent. We add a piece of butter at a time and whisk it through. Now for the Italian meringue, you will make this just before assembling your cake. I'm gonna place this on a medium heat on the induction cooktop. I have the egg white and cream of tartar in a mixing bowl. Once this reaches temperature, I'm gonna pour it in. There's a number of things that make a beautiful light cake, such as this sponge. Firstly, the oven is really important. The Mueller oven gives such an even bake and such a consistent finish on any cake, which means every single time it's going to be perfect. And what I'm doing now is just giving a coat of sugar around the edge, which gives a beautiful flavour, but also a fantastic finish to the cake. Now for my favourite part, the assembly. Half the meringue goes on. Push this out so it exceeds the edge of the cake. We now use half of the lemon curd. So I'm placing that on and then I'm going to marble it around. Place the cake on. Additional dollops of the lemon curd. Gently marble those through the meringue. These are those classic flavours that you know and love, but so much more with my lemon meringue cake.